Yeah man, welcome back my little family. We're still in the kitchen for the Sunday dinner part 2. So, right yes or no, first and foremost, get right in. My peas has been pressure. The finished pressure is cooked. I want to show you what it looks like. See it here? It cooked. See it here? And absorb most of the water. So look at it, right? This is the amount of peas we have right here. Right? Alright. So I have my coconut milk. I'm going to pour in. My flame underneath it. We are not it up. Yeah? I'm going to pour in my coconut milk. Straight up. I have some water in my kettle here, so I'm going to rinse it out. But family, I'm not telling a lie. In the kitchen, I go on bad, you know, the heat on. I have a fan in there. But it's just hot, man. Just hot. I'm going to put in my salt. Remember, I'm not highlighting, you know, putting in some salt, no specific dish, you know, but just a carry up for my Jamaican Sunday dinner journey. So listen me now. I'm gonna look here. I'm putting half a stick of butter with my coconut milk and I want my rice and peas taste nice. I have my scallion. Scallion expensive, you see, family, and we are beat it up. Piece of ginger in your rice and peas. Maybe from down a yard tell you that. Yeah, right in. A piece of dry. Supposed to be green thyme in a family, but you can use the dry one too, you know, because I don't really have no green one here now. So I'm putting in my dry one, right? I have a green pepper. I'm going to go deal with that. Right. You feel me? Y'all feeling me? Right in. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to leave it to boil up. But I'm going to taste some salt. You see how salt it is? Put in some more. But hot water, you know, so this soon start boiling. This not in way, you know. So look here now. When you taste this now, you taste a little sweetness from the coconut milk. Now make them fool in the family. Do not put any sugar into your rice and peas. It is the sweetness from the amount of the strength. You must make your coconut milk strong, and the sweetness from the coconut milk gives the rice and peas that little sweetie taste. Don't put any sugar in your rice and peas. Okay. See what I look like here now? Look at it. You know so what I do. But remember, you know, this is just on my dinner journey, Sunday dinner journey. So I'm going to highlight in a video for you how you do your rice and peas. Because I know I don't do that yet. Okay? Alright. So, we're going to taste again. Taste like we can take a little chops more salt. We not put no whole salt thing in our thing. Right, so you salt to your taste, your perfection. And I'm going to put on my pressure cooker cover, but I'm not going to close it. To say, lid it up quick. And I put on back it, and you're going to let it start boiling a little before you put in your rice. So I'm going to have my rice over here, wash and all of that. Right, so now, I have some of my chicken when I half fry off. Remember, I tell them I'm going to do it half fry off some of my chicken and make a, and make a bake sauce, dip it in, shove it in the oven. So I fry off some already, and I have some over here. So you know, fry it more than this. So we have to take out back. So as we go along, we take out some of we half fry off already. Right? This is where we are. Okay. This can stay a little more. Yeah, we need piece more garlic to family. Never remember that. Another piece more garlic. Because that one that we put in, that's the strength of that kind of gone. So look in there, look at it. You see it look nice? Yeah. We're leaving it to boil. When it starts to boil, we're going to put in the rice. Our family, in the meantime, in between time to the kitchen hot, I'm going to take a one sip off of my Heineken. I cook cooking up, so I'm in a hurry and I'm not stressed out myself. You see me? Because cooking is not about stressing yourself. Cooking is about understanding yourself, knowing what you're doing, and enjoying the ride. Yeah, man, so you can't feel free. You have your cold beer, your cold and take a sip. And if you listen to me, junk and nothing, you know, come and have one of the food. right now. We have all of that going, and we are waiting for that over there to boil up to put in the rice. Right here, we have the lettuce. So you know what we are doing? We are pull out the lettuce. And we are start leaf out the lettuce. Yeah? Remember, I'm telling you, I make a vegetable salad, raw vegetable salad. Yeah? And we have some cheap backside macaroni them, them we can't afford. Them I'll show you when it's cheap, how we deal with it. So we are taking off the lettuce leaf them. We are waiting for the thing to boil to put in the rice, See, so you pick off your lettuce leaf them like this. And you sprinkle a little salt. Yep. And you put some water, leave it for maybe about. And you know the leaf them spray them with all kind of something then take and spray them in a family because somebody sitting them in a people know where they are. But we have to eat them and just spray. Right? These are finished, so we take them out of the way. Now cool down my body with an iron cream. So we have a lettuce that's going in some water. And if you're liking this video, in the meantime, you can message one of your friends, send the link to them, let them go and so go on your stuff. Because that is how we roll when we roll. Alright? This can come out because we're just getting them half fry off. We don't want them fully fried. Some of them here will come out already. And we're looking like that. Because we're going to start them out into the oven. Yeah man, so me have a piece of chicken back here, so attached to my piece of chicken breast. This is the part of me love, If you love that part of the chicken here, comment below. If you love this part of the chicken with the bone and something, comment below. I love this part. Yeah family, make me say for rice and peas. Yes sir. Yeah man. So, this is it now. See it here? You see you get it, family. If you ever smell my pimento seed finish, you should have a few seed of pimento into this as well. But my pimento seed finish. Get right in. Now make the steam cloud up the camera lens. See the family? You see it? That nice little sweetness from the coconut milk. Alright. So we're going to put in the rice here now, yeah? Bulk rice we're using. So we pick it and we wash it ahead of time and we have it and we put it in right in. But you must use your judgment. You have to use your judgment when you cook rice, family. And look here, no matter how you are good cook, sometimes the rice and peas get wet. It's not so hot. But that's how it goes. So none of it not perfect, don't it? Nobody stressing out about this and that. Just take your time. So look now. Look at it. The rice gone in, get right in. And you see the spoon to the judgment. You see where the spoon stop? Get in. The spoon stop right there. That means it's at the rice. The spoon can't, if you push at the rice, you're going to. So my spoon stop right there. So I have enough water. So we are there. And we're going to lock back with pressure cooker. Yeah? Yeah man. Just like that. We're going to turn down the flame. Yeah man, rice and peas. Go simmer. Chicken are finished brown. When we come back, you're going to see how we are going to finish up and all of them something there in part 3. Stick and stay and call one of your friends or two for part 3. Yeah?